In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Tradovate to TradingView. Whether you're an experienced trader or just starting out, integrating these platforms can significantly enhance your trading experience by combining powerful charting tools with intuitive trading capabilities. Now, let's dive into the process to get you connected. First, start by heading over to the TradingView website. If you're not already there, open up your web browser and type in tradingview.com. Once the page loads, you'll want to log into your account. Look at the top right corner of the page for the login button. If you don't see it, make sure you're on the correct site. Click on it, and if you haven't logged in before, enter your credentials. TradingView is a highly secure platform, but always ensure your password is strong to protect your account. Once you're logged in, you need to open a chart. TradingView offers a wide variety of chart options, tailored for different trading needs, so pick one that suits you. Look for the Chart button, which is usually located at the top of the screen. Click on it, and this will load up the charting interface. If you're not familiar with it yet, take a moment to explore its features. You'll see a range of tools to the side that can help you analyze market trends more effectively. With your chart open, direct your attention to the right side of the screen where you'll find the trading panel. This is an essential feature as it allows you to integrate TradingView with different brokerages. Click on the trading panel icon and a list of available brokerages will appear. You'll need to scroll through this list to find Tradovate. Once you've located Tradovate among the options, you're ready for the next step. Click on Tradovate and you should see a Connect button appear. Clicking this will initiate the connection process between TradingView and Tradovate. Next, a prompt will appear, asking for your Tradovate login details. Enter your username and password here. Remember, keeping your login information secure is critical, so consider using a password manager if you struggle to remember your passwords. After entering your login details, simply follow the prompts that appear on your screen. These are usually straightforward, guiding you through any remaining steps necessary to complete the connection. Take your time with this process, as rushing through might lead to mistakes or incomplete setup. And that's it. You've successfully linked Tradovate to TradingView. By doing this, you've combined TradingView's robust charting capabilities with Tradovate's advanced trading features, putting you in a stronger position to make informed trading decisions. Enjoy the newfound synergy between these two powerful tools, and happy trading.